Hey guys, Module 2, Lesson 16. Should we get closer? Whoa, that's close enough. What is an even number? I'll give you a minute to kind of talk it over in your head. Even number. Divisible by 2. List some examples. I'll list some examples. You can't list what I list. 10, 12, 14, 100. What's an odd number? Well, I'm going to say if an even number is divisible by 2, then an odd number is not divisible by 2. Some examples. 13, 23, 77, 101. If you don't believe me, test it. Divide them by 2. If it's not even, I win. What happens when we add 2 even numbers? Well, what do you think happens when we add 2 even numbers? Do you always get an even number? Let's try it. So I had 2 even numbers, 10 and 12. Ugh, I hate doing addition this way. My brain likes this way. 10 plus 12. 22. 22 divisible by 2? Yeah. 2 times 11 is 22. That's even. Let's do these other ones. 14 and 100. 114. Is 114 divisible by 2? Let's test. 2 doesn't go into 1. 2 goes into 11. 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Does 2 go into 14? Yeah, 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Huh, don't you know it? 2 times 57, 114. So I guess what happens when we add 2 even numbers? Do we always get an even number? Yes. Yes, we do. So let's try to explore why the sum of 2 even numbers is even. 12 plus 14. Draw dots to represent each number. I can draw dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That wasn't very challenging. Circle pairs of dots to determine if any of the dots are left over. Circling pairs. No dots are left over. Is this true every time 2 even numbers are added together? Yes. It shouldn't matter the size. There will always be pairs of dots. In even numbers. If there are no leftovers, to start with, there won't be at the end. Okay? Not so bad. Think of the sum of two odd numbers. Is it even? So think of a problem. 11 plus 15. Draw dots to represent each number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I like these questions. Boom. Circle pairs of dots to determine if any of the dots are left over. Circling pairs. Uh-oh. There's a leftover. Circle pairs up here. Another leftover, but I can circle those. Check. Is this true every time two odd numbers are added together? Would the answer be even? Well, I think so. Why do you think so? I am going to read what you write. So please be sure to write something good and legible. 3. Why is the sum of an even number and an odd number odd? So we're going to take the sum of an even number and an odd number, and they're telling us it should be odd. So think of the problem 14 plus 11. Draw dots again. I love the drawing of the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Circle pairs. Uh-oh. We got a guy who's all alone. He's left over. Is this true every time an even number and an odd number are added together? I would think so. Here's why I think. There will be one lonely leftover from one number that will be unable to pair up when an even number, whoopsie, sorry, is added. Does that make sense? If that doesn't make sense, you could either comment below or send me a message and I'll try to get back to you about that. Okay? What if the first addend is odd and the second is even? Because look at what we did here. This was even and this one was odd. Does it also work if the first number is odd and then the second number is even? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Circle some pairs. Uh-oh, got a leftover. So it turns out it doesn't matter what order, odd or even or odd. If you add an even number and an odd number, your answer will be odd. So summing it up, an even number plus an even number equals odd or even. I think even. An odd number plus an odd number equals even or odd? Odd. No, just kidding. Even. Ha ha ha. An odd number plus an even number equals an odd number. That's the one we just did. Oh, goodness. Product. What is a product? Product is the answer when you multiply. So the product of two even numbers is even? Whew, let's try it out. 2 times 6. 12. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes. Even. 4 times 4. 16. Is 16 divisible by 2? Yes. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 100 times 10. 100 times 10. Is 1,000 divisible by 2? Yes, 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. That seems to be correct. Let's see what this one says. The product of two odd numbers is odd. 3 times 5. 15. 15 is odd. You can't divide that by 2. 99. Oh, times 1. Haha. 99 times 1. 99. If 99 was odd to begin with, it's still odd now. Those work. How about 7 times 31. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 217. Is that divisible by 2? Let's check. 2 goes into 2 once. Bring down the 1. 2 goes into 1. None. Bring down my 7. 2 goes into 17. 8 times, which is 16. Oh, and there's a remainder. No, it is not even. Boom. So it turns out the product of two odd numbers is odd. Okay, they're going to try to get tricky now. The product of an even number and an odd number is even. Let's see. 3 times 2. 6. 6 is even. 12 times 3. 36. 36 is even. 5 times 6. 5 times 6, 30. 30 is divisible by 2. Wow. So an even and an odd make even. And think about that. If you have two groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, can you pair everybody up with somebody? Sure. If you have 5 groups of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can pair all of the, can I just pair like this? Oh, this looks so much easier than circling. Everybody had a pair, right? But up here, 3 groups of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pair, 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 pair. Left over. Just so you know, I'm not drawing 99 dots. Not happening. Okay? So here's kind of what we learned today. When adding, the sum of two even numbers is even. The sum of two odd numbers is even. The sum of an even number and an odd number is odd. When multiplying, the product of two even numbers is even. The product of two odd numbers is odd. And the product of an even number and an odd number is even. Whew. that was a lot of stuff today, gang. Guess you're gonna have to do these 5 problems. Without solving, tell whether each sum or product is even or odd, and then explain why. Then I want you to prove it. But without solving, figure out which it is first. Explain why you think, then find the real answer. All right, good luck.